Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Thomas Levy. And today we talked about what you don't know, but you need to learn what you don't know. So today we said some things that I don't know if YouTube or Facebook are going to embrace it and might charge me against it. And so we are taking today's class and we're uploading it into BitChute and Odyssey. The links are below. But Dr. Levy, we talked a lot about a lot of things today. What would you say people will expect to learn by clicking the link below and going to watch the entire class for today?
I think they'd get a good appreciation of why there's so many people sick these days. I think even ordinary people, and not ordinary, regular people, they all know somebody who has continued to be sick after COVID, or somebody who has continued to be sick after one or more vaccinations. All of these are due to what's called a chronic presence of the spike protein. And we have a lot of evidence in the literature now. We're developing ways that need to, or that can be used to treat it. And these are important concepts to understand. People don't have to be thoroughly frustrated that they're not seeing the results that they want. Got to remember, most of the regular docs either don't know about this or want to know about it, or don't have any idea how to treat it. So you need to find yourself a good, open-minded, integrative doc, open to being given new information and working on it and acting on it. Because what we're talking about, as they say, is not rocket science, but a lot of people treat it that way.
Well, today we talked about a lot of things, and I am so grateful that you're educating us that we need to learn what we don't know. We've given our power away. And the best way that we can take our power back is to co-learn with your practitioners and demand that they know protocols that best support their patients, being you. And you learn these as well, bring these to your practitioners. I want to encourage all of you to share the video, the entire class, or maybe just entice them to be interested in the course that we're going to be doing on February 26th. It's a virtual class. They want to learn Dr. Thomas Levy's protocols. They can go to whenyounneedafriend.com while they're there. Please subscribe, like, and follow me on social media. Share this video with everybody, especially people that are responsible for other people's health. So the course is called Optimal Treatment of Disease. And Dr. Thomas Levy is going to teach us all how to navigate the system and so that it best helps us. Tests that you can take, all these wonderful things. So please, please, please go to whenyounneedafriend.com, check out Optimal Treatment for Disease with Dr. Thomas Levy, and demand that your healthcare professionals attend this course. We're recording everything, so if they're not available during February 26th, no excuses. It'll be there for them, waiting for them when they are ready to click the button and learn. Dr. Levy, is there anything else that you would like for people to know before we say goodbye?
No, I think that about wraps it up there, Lily. We've made a lot of points, and it's up for people to listen to them and decide what they want to do.
Absolutely. And please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you. It's time to take your health back. This is Lily McDermott and Dr. Thomas Levy wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever.